Daddy finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Daddy finger, what do you do?
I am fixing house for you. Oh no, my finger hurts.
Daddy, don't cry, I will help you.
Mommy finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Mommy finger, what do you do?
I am making lunch for you. Ooh, ouch!
Help! Help!
Mommy, don't cry, I will help you.
Brother finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Brother finger, what do you do?
Playing football, that's what I do. Oh no, I got a boo-boo on my knee. Help!
Brother, don't cry, I will help you.
Sister finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Sister finger, what do you do?
Fly the kite, that's what I do. Oh no!
Sister, don't cry, I will help you.
Baby finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Baby finger, what do you do?
Climb a tree, take an apple, that's what I do. Oh no, got a boo-boo, help!
Baby, don't cry, I will help
Boo Boo touched the socket, zap, zap, zap. Ouch! Uh-oh! He yelled and gave a clap. Hippi ran and looked around, but didn't know. Just jumped up and down. Then came Doctor, calm and bright, with her bag and coat so white. Let me help, I know just how. She fixed the Boo Boo. All better now.
Do not touch the sockets, okay?
We got it. Thanks, Doctor.
Boo Boo rode his skateboard fast, but lost control and fell at last. Hippi gasped, oh no, but didn't know where else to go. Then came Doctor, brave and quick, with bandages and her doctor kit. She patched him up from head to toe. Now off you go.
Be careful,
And
kids. Bye.
ride it slow.
Thank you, Doctor.
When you're thirsty and wanna drink, be careful if it is too hot. You may burn your little tongue, make you get a boo-boo. If you get a boo-boo, don't worry, I will help you. This will make you feel okay and make the pain go away.
Thank you, Doctor.
When you play in the backyard, be very, very careful. You may fall off the trampoline, make you get a boo-boo. Help me, please. If you get a boo-boo, don't worry, I will help you. This will make you feel okay and make the pain go away. Thank you, Doctor.
Bye.
When you play in the backyard, be very Okay.